Hello everyone, my name is S.K. Karthikeyan, Associate Professor, Kongunadu College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see fire safety installation and its methods. So in that we are going to see the fire ventilation methods and fire triangles from the subject building services. So coming to the first topic, fire prevention in ventilation systems. Normally, fire is a thing that destroy everything. So we have to avoid by providing fire resisting doors, compartment walls, fire dampers, fire resisting encasement. Likewise, we avoid the damage level of a fire in the building arrangement. So, in some extent, we are providing some unique designs that avoid the accumulation of hot gases or toxic gases during the fire. So, by providing fan and extracting arrangements, we are removing the harmful level of fires. So, now see the types of arrangements. This is pressurization of escape routes. So sometimes we need the accumulation of gas should be removed quickly by providing some unique arrangements. That means air inlet and duct system or a provision of correct doors, correct openings in the areas that should enhance the movement of accumulation gases quickly move out of the building area. Suppose it may be a multi-story building, means we have to provide correct staircase level, lobbies, and the clean smoke level that should be damped, that should not be damped in a particular area. By giving the correct design, we can remove the damage level of the fire. And this is the picture. They show the unvented building during the fire accident. You see the smoke is accumulated over the floor. That is, the on the ceiling you have stagnation of smoke that is accumulated in the room. So due to this, the people that is who are in the room get affected. So it may be it affect their life, or in any case it going to be accident. So by giving some unique device, a unique arrangement, we can avoid this kind of accident. You see the second pictures that having some screen like arrangement that avoid the accumulation of gases over the entire building. It avoid the stagnation of flue gases, that is hot gases in over the entire rooms. It when the vent is correctly provided, so through that the entire burn gases are going out. It could not going to spread over the entire building. So this is screening type of arrangements. Okay, next one is smoke extractor and fire ventilation. Sometimes we have to provide some unique arrangement like a window system. You see this window system having some lowers. The name of the thing is lowers. It's a pulley wheel type of arrangement. We can adjust the slantness of the opening. So the slantness is given for avoiding the rainwater which is coming into the room area, and this in case this inclination increase the flow of air during the daytime or nighttime. We can increase the flow of air in the room condition. So during this arrangement can get open when the room air is going to heat it up. The fusible link going to be melted, and the openings are fully going to operate. So likewise we can remove the accumulated gas through these openings. Okay, next one is how to put off the fire. So that is by giving the gas extinguishers arrangement. The first one is a chemical type of component, that is by with the name halon and halon. It's a chemical compound used for firefighting, that is put off the fire. You see this is the picture shows the room arrangement. Over that there is a passage for detecting the heat which is when it is formed in the room, means the spray arrangement, that is the compound spray arrangement, bromine and fluorine, halon type of chemical spray arrangement are going to get on. So when the heat detectors or smoke detectors give the signal to the arrangement, the firefighting compound, the chemical compound will be going to be sprayed over the entire room. Likewise, they put up the fire. Okay, next one is carbon dioxide installation. So carbon dioxide, which do not support the burning gases, that used to put off the fire. So one way of put off the fire. The oxygen is the thing that support the firing. So when you increase the carbon dioxide level, means the fire automatically come to put off condition. So we have to store a huge. We going to store the carbon dioxide in a huge container. That is one part of a building. They are having some multi number of cylinders. In that they are storing carbon dioxide with high pressure. So there is a control unit with the sensor arrangement, alarm unit arrangement. The sensors are detect the heat level or smoke level in the particular room. When it is triggered on, it gives the signal to the control unit. So the control unit activate the pressurized carbon dioxide cylinders that spray the carbon dioxide into the room. Likewise, they put off the fire by increasing the carbon dioxide level. Then next one is portable fire extinguishing arrangement. In that first one is we going to see acid based arrangement. So normally when the fire level is small or that is easily controllable, means we can going to use portable type of fire extinguishing arrangement. So we can put off the fire easily. It may be solid fuel or wood or paper type of fuels, or flammable liquid like petrol, oil, paints, or gases like methane, propane. We can put off the fire by using this portable fire extinguishers. And coming to the portable fire extinguishers, there is a color coding methods they are using. When the extinguishing agent is water, means that is indicated with the color red, and the application is we are put off the fire, that is carbon fire, paper or wood fires. And when the agent is foam, means we are marking that with red with the cream band. So as usual, the solid particle like paper, wood or flammable liquids are put off by this foam. And next one is carbon dioxide extinguishing agent. So this is marked with the red with black band. So this is only for electrical fires. Then next one is dry chemicals, that is marked by red with blue band. So this is for all type of fire, solid, liquid or gaseous or electrical. We are using dry chemicals. And the next one is fire triangles or heat triangles, anything. So you can see here there are three things which is essential for firing, getting fired. So one is heat, another one is fuel, another one is oxygen. If you remove any one of the thing from this three, the fire comes to off. So in the first picture you can see remove of fuel, first one having no fuel, so easily the fire coming to off condition. Next one is removal of heat, that is cooling. That is, if there is no heat, means you cannot put on the fire. Next one is removal of oxygen. So oxygen is the prime thing that will give the burning support to the fuel or heat. So when you remove oxygen, means the fire automatically comes off. And this is the thing when you go for put off the accident. So when you remove the heat, means the accident going to be avoided. When you remove the fuel, means easily you can put off the fire. So fire triangle is the clear, that gives the clear picture of what is to be avoided during the fire accident. So that's all today. Thank you.